Are you a student looking for ways to make money online? Welcome to the era of digital opportunities where the internet is not just a hub of information or a platform of entertainment, but also a goldmine of earning opportunities. This realm of possibilities is available to everyone, including students like you who are eager to explore, learn, and earn. The world of online opportunities is vast, diverse, and constantly evolving. It's an exciting landscape where creativity, innovation, and resourcefulness can lead to impressive financial rewards. From freelance work in areas such as writing, graphic design, or coding, to creating content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the opportunities are right at your fingertips. Perhaps you're a whiz at tutoring, and you can share your knowledge with others across the globe. Or maybe you have an entrepreneurial spirit and you can start an online store selling products or services. Even partaking in online surveys or testing websites can lead to extra cash in your pocket. The possibilities are endless, and the potential is enormous. Yet it's not just about the money, it's about gaining valuable experience, honing your skills, and building your portfolio. It's about creating a flexible schedule that fits around your studies, and about the empowerment and independence that comes from earning your own money. It's about the satisfaction of turning your passions, talents, and interests into a profitable venture. Yes, the world of online opportunities can be overwhelming at times, but fear not. This guide is here to help you navigate it. You don't need to be a tech guru or have a business degree to succeed. You just need an open mind, a willingness to learn, and a dash of ambition. So, whether you're saving for that dream trip, trying to pay off student loans, or simply want some extra spending money, the internet is your oyster. It's time to seize the day, embrace the digital age, and tap into the infinite potential of the online world. Dive in to discover the potential of online opportunities for students. This is just the beginning of your journey into the exciting world of making money online as a student. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies. Identifying your skills is the first step in your online money-making journey. Now you might be asking, how do I identify my skills? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Take a moment. Reflect on what you're good at, what you enjoy, and where your talents lie. Are you a whiz at coding? Do you have a knack for writing? Perhaps you're a skilled graphic designer or a talented musician. Whatever your skills may be, there's a good chance they can be leveraged in the online world. It's essential to conduct a self-assessment. This is a process of evaluating your abilities and interests. Write down your skills and talents, no matter how big or small they may seem. This self-assessment will act as your map, guiding you towards online opportunities that align with your abilities. But how do you know if your skills are marketable? Here's a tip. Think about what people need or want. Are your skills something that can solve a problem or fulfill a desire? If the answer is yes, then you've got a marketable skill on your hands. For example, if you're skilled at writing, there are countless online opportunities for you, ranging from content creation to copywriting. If you're good at graphic design, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need logos, social media graphics, or website design. So, don't underestimate your skills. What might seem like a simple hobby or a class project to you could be a valuable service to someone else. And remember, even if you think you don't have any skills, that's probably not true. You're a student, which means you're learning new things every day. Your academic skills like research, critical thinking, and time management are all valuable in the online world. The key is to identify these skills, refine them, and then leverage them to create online income streams. With a bit of creativity and dedication, you can turn your skills into a profitable online venture. Remember, your skills are your greatest asset in the online world. With your skills, it's time to find the right platforms to make money online. Now, the digital realm is vast, and it's teeming with online platforms where you can turn your skills into a lucrative side hustle. The trick is knowing where to look. First up, we have freelancing websites. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are digital marketplaces where you can offer your services, whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or translator. Here you can find gigs that match your skill set your rates, and work on your own schedule. It's like running your own small business. Next, consider tutoring platforms. Websites like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com are great if you excel in a particular subject. It could be math, science, English, or even a musical instrument. Here you can share your knowledge with students around the world and get paid for it. Then, there are content creation sites. If you're the creative type, consider platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. These sites allow you to monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and even fan donations. It might take some time to grow your audience, but once you do, the earning potential can be quite impressive. Finally, don't overlook niche platforms. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Try selling your designs on sites like Redbubble. Love writing? Publish your stories on Wattpad or Medium and earn from reader subscriptions. So, how do you choose the right platform? Well, it depends on your skills, interests, and how much time you can dedicate. Remember, each platform has its own rules and payment structures, so do your research, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the best opportunities come from trying something new. Finding the right platform is key to maximizing your online earnings. So take your time, explore your options, and find a platform that not only lets you earn money, but also allows you to enjoy what you're doing. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about making money online, it's about making the most of your talents and passions. Building a strong online presence can significantly boost your earning potential. Let's dive right in. Your online presence is essentially your digital footprint, the sum of your interactions and engagements online. It's your personal brand, a reflection of who you are, what you can do, and how well you can do it. To start, think of creating a robust online profile. This is your professional introduction to the digital world. It should shine a spotlight on your skills and experiences, your aspirations, and your unique selling proposition. What sets you apart from the crowd? What makes you the ideal choice for potential employers or clients? Your profile should answer these questions convincingly. But remember, your online profile is not a static document, it's a living, breathing snapshot of your professional journey. Keep it updated, fresh, and relevant. As you acquire new skills, complete new projects, or gain new experiences, make sure your profile reflects these achievements. Now let's talk about showcasing your skills. This is where a portfolio comes in. A portfolio is a collection of your work samples. It provides tangible proof of your skills and abilities. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or tutor, having a portfolio gives you a competitive edge. It allows potential employers or clients to see your work and assess your competency. Collecting testimonials is another crucial aspect of building credibility. Positive feedback from satisfied clients or employers can significantly enhance your reputation. It provides social proof of your abilities and can be a powerful tool in persuading new clients to choose you. Maintaining a professional online demeanor is equally important. The internet never forgets, so always conduct yourself online as you would in a professional setting. Be respectful, responsive, and reliable. This not only helps you build strong professional relationships, but also contributes to your reputation as a trustworthy and competent individual. A strong online presence can open doors to numerous online opportunities. So, invest time and effort in building and nurturing it. It could be your ticket to financial success in the digital realm. Success in making money online requires persistence, patience, and a bit of strategy. So let's dive into some practical tips that can catapult your online money-making journey to new heights. Firstly, consistency is key. It's important to consistently deliver quality work and meet deadlines. This will not only build your reputation but also attract more opportunities your way. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, it's a continuous process. Secondly, embrace continuous learning. The digital world is ever evolving, and so should your skills. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in your field. This will help you stay competitive and open up new avenues for making money online. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of networking. Connect with like-minded individuals, join online communities, participate in discussions. You never know when a connection could lead to a valuable opportunity. So keep those communication lines open. Lastly, manage your time effectively. As a student, you have academic responsibilities alongside your online endeavors. Therefore, it's crucial to strike a balance. Prioritize your tasks, set a routine, and stick to it. A well-organized schedule can make all the difference. Now let's quickly recap what we've discussed in this video. We started by exploring the vast world of online opportunities, followed by identifying your skills and finding the right platforms. Then, we delved into building your online presence and shared some practical tips for success. Remember, the journey might be challenging, but with the right approach, it's definitely achievable. In conclusion, making money online as a student is no longer a dream, but a reality. And the best part? You're not limited by your location or your schedule. All you need is a good internet connection, a bit of creativity, and a whole lot of determination. With the right skills, platform, and strategy, you can successfully make money online as a student. So, go ahead, Tap into this digital goldmine and start your journey towards financial independence today.